Hello, English learners. Welcome to Speak Up. Are you ready to learn some English?
Ready?
I'm sorry. Each student. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
one more time.
To each I'm
Okay.
sorry. Speak up. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Speak up.
Okay. Ready?
Process. I'm sorry.
Okay, one more
Okay,
time.
that's it. Yes.
One sentence?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I'm really sorry.
No, it's good.
Extra effort.
That's
Speak up is awesome.
Really?
Yeah, that's it. I am teacher Megan, a dedicated teacher for about 3 years now. Throughout the years, I have dealt with different students, and it has always been my pride and joy when they complete my class with improved skills and knowledge. Each student is different from each other. That being said, appropriate methods should be applied to cater to each student's individual needs. I try to be as approachable as possible and try to make a comfortable environment where they can make mistakes and learn from them. Online class is the most convenient way of learning. It gives you the opportunity to learn anywhere, anytime. Speak Up helps you find the best teacher that matches your learning needs. Learning is a lifelong process where the phrase "too late" does not apply. If you have any questions or inquiries, feel free to leave your comment below in English, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. For more information, check out the description below.